Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7947. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone dualer tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back, rear backup sensors and a camera. Chevy bed liner on the back keeps it nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo, dual climate controls and dual heated seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're gonna I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.